And hello everyone, I'm Debolina ma'am from Edu Arena, and today we will discuss about the High Court. Okay, we will discuss about the the structure of the High Court. We will discuss about the powers and function of the High Court. We will discuss about the qualification required to be a judge of the High Court. Okay, so first let us start with the introduction. So you see, at the state level, the High Court is the highest court of appeal. Okay, at the state level, High Court is the highest court of appeal. Okay, there are 24 High Courts in the country. Okay, so how many High Courts we have in our country? We have 24 High Courts in our country, which serves in the 29 states and 6 union territories. Okay, now we will discuss about the structure of the High Court. So now we will discuss about the structure of the High Court. Okay, so you see, what do we have in the structure? We have, that is, every High Court, or you can say all the High Court, it consists of a Chief Justice. Okay, so see, it consists of a Chief Justice and a number of other judges. Okay, it has the Chief Justice and a number of other judges as well. The number of judges varies from state to state. Okay, so what does this mean? That the number of judges in all the states are not equal. Okay, some states may have 20 judges, some may have 25 to 30 judges. Okay, so it varies from state to state. Next, you see, the Chief Justice of High Court is appointed by the President of India. So the Chief Justice of the High Court, okay, it is appointed by the President of India, okay, with the consultation of the Chief Justice of India and the Governor of the state. Okay, so the Chief Justice of the High Court is appointed by the President, but the President consults with the Chief Justice of India and also with the Governor of the state. Okay, so you see, other judges of the High Court, they are also appointed by the same method only. Okay, the President only appoints the other judges with the consultation of the Chief Justice of India, and he also consults with the Governor of that particular state. Okay, so in this way, the judges and the Chief Justice of the High Court, are being, you can say, selected. So then you see, President of India can appoint additional judges for a maximum period of 2 years. So the President of India, he can also, add some more judges. Okay, he can add some more judges, that is the additional judges, for maximum period of 2 years. Okay, he can add some more judges, but for 2 years. Okay, not more than 2 years. Okay, now let us discuss about the qualification required to become a judge of a High Court. Okay, so the very first qualification required is that he or she have to be the citizen of India. Okay, this is a very, what I will say, this is a very essential thing. Okay, he or she have to be the citizen of India. Okay, next, the qualification that is required is an advocate of High Court or must have served a legal office of India for at least 10 years or more. So he have to be the citizen of India, and also he have to be, you can say, an advocate of a High Court, or he must have to be. Now we will discuss about the powers and functions of the High Court. Okay, so see, number one, power and function we have, that is, High Court has the original jurisdiction. Okay, it has the original jurisdiction over the cases related to the enforcement of the fundamental rights, the matrimonial cases, and also the cases ordered to be transferred to a High Court by a lower court. That is, the High Court has the original jurisdiction, that is, it has the power to listen to the cases for the first time. Okay, now what kind of cases the High Court can listen for the first time? The cases which is related to the enforcement of the fundamental rights, cases related to the matrimonial cases, okay, and also the cases which are transferred by the lower court. Okay, for example, any if any district court or any small subordinate courts, okay, if they transfer the cases to the High Court, then the High Court have the power to listen to such cases also. Okay, next we have, it issues writs and direction for the enforcement of the fundamental rights. Okay, so it issues writs. Writs means it issues order, okay, for the enforcement of the fundamental rights. Next we have, it has appellate jurisdiction. Okay, it has appellate jurisdiction over the civil and criminal cases on appeal against the decision taken by the lower courts. So, if anybody, they are not satisfied with the decision of the lower courts, okay, then they can come and again, they can appeal to the High Court, or you can say they can approach to the High Court. Okay, and their cases would be related of criminal also, it can be civil cases also. Okay, if they are not satisfied with the lower court, then they can definitely come and approach the High Court. Okay, and such cases can be criminal cases also, it can be civil cases also. Next we have, it also supervises the activities of the lower court. Okay, so the you can say that it also supervises the activities of the lower court. Okay, so these were the powers also, and these were the functions also which have to be performed by the High Courts. Okay, so thank you everyone. See you in the next class.